Simplify. Yeah.
Hey,
Knock, knock.
How you doing? Come on in.
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
We come here to see about this air conditioner.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi.
What's it been doing? Can you give me a heads up on what happened?
Woke up yesterday morning.
Yes, sir.
And the thermometer was reading in the low 80s.
Oh, it's at 79 right now.
Yeah. Heat back up.
Okay. I'm gonna bump that up. I hear the blower running. I'm gonna run outside first. Okay, normally I go to the thermostat first, make sure the system is turned on, listen for the air handler, and if the condenser's not running, I go up top. In this case, condenser fan motor is running, but I don't think I hear the compressor. This might be an easy fix. Okay, I think we may have found a problem on the compressor. The capacitor checked out good. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing here. First of all, I am clicked on to the top right there. I think that's what I'm showing you. I want you to see the readings. I'm on the other one on the bottom right here. About 2. And now I'm on the other one. Hold on a second. There we go. Now I'm on it. Let's just say 1.8. So between the 2 on the bottom, I'll try to attach one of my leads on the bottom here. I've got 2.2. All of them are reading somewhere around 2. If the other 2 are 2 and 1.8, I should be having 3.8 here. And I don't. I've got 2.2. I'm going to plug this back up. This had a really weird configuration. And I'm going to try to catch it pulling lot rotor amps to show you that this compressor will not start. I'm just going to show you, oops, still got that on there, that this is a 60 and 5, 59, and 4.97. So that is good. That's something I didn't film a second ago. That is firmly attached. So what I want to catch is this compressor going out, pulling lot rotor amps. So first put this on amps and hit this for inrush. It disconnects over there. So let's see if we can catch it at the same time. 91.6 amps. Okay, in my opinion, after ohming out that compressor, there is no reason to try a hard start kit, but you know, there's still part of me that's like, why not try it? So I'm gonna kill power again. I'm gonna look for one of those super boost things, something temporary, put on it, and see what happens. I mean, why not? At this point, what do you got to lose? Okay, this is what I was looking for. If y'all can see that, that's the SPP6 Super Boost. And I'm about to show you how to wire it up. Pretty easy. I'm just going to leave this hanging and then put power back to it and see if it cranks up. Okay, so basically this is just like extra capacitor power. And this one goes over here on C. And this one goes over here on Herm. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to put power back to it. We're going to do our same little test right here. And see if it'll crank up. So let's try it again. Let's see. Okay, even with this, it would not crank. Won't do it. Okay, it looks like we have us here a 3.5 ton R410 system, a 3.5 ton. Holy smokes. I think I can get a compressor for this. Somebody owes me one, 3.5. So I can either do a compressor or we can swap out the whole system. I'll see what the customer wants. Well guys, after I look back in history of this customer's air conditioner, I found that we gave him an estimate for a new evaporator coil and possibly a new system like 3 months ago. So it's change out time. I'm gonna tell you something cool. I was able to give him an estimate with an option for a Rude system and an option for the ACiQ. Fill out all the details. I'm able to do this with Jobber. Both of them are optional. Send him the estimate and he chooses which one he wants. And I thought that was really cool. So shout out to Jobber on that. I was unable to do something like that with just QuickBooks. I like that option. I think my customer liked it because he requested options like that, and that made it real easy. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. Check out the store in the corner. If you like the idea of Jobber or you want to be an ACiQ dealer, check out the links in the description. If this is open, I'm going to show you what I was working on today. That right there, my CB radio right here. I sent it back because it wasn't working. They told me there wasn't nothing wrong with it. I hook everything back up and it still ain't working. That's how it goes, right? Catch you on the next one.